video. I got everything set up over here. I have the 2 case screws that I got. I believe they belong here into the side. I'm not quite sure what it's there for, why they were loose. So I'm going to be checking that out a little bit. And it looks as though they put some sort of instruction pamphlet as well as some inflatable foam, injectable foam inside, so that people don't have to worry about some of the components to be jarred loose as it's shipping across from California to your destination. In my case, would be Fort Lauderdale. So I'm going to remove the case, the side case screws, and let's see here. I'm also going to remove this. I don't think I need it. It's a tempered glass, handle with care. Normally it's plexiglass, but this is tempered glass. So it's kind of a good thing. For those of you who don't know the difference between regular glass and tempered glass, is that when you shatter tempered glass, it actually shatters in like a million little pieces. All right, and the reason why that is like that is so that it's also known as safety glass, and that if it shatters, look at me, I'm getting fingerprints all over it, so I'll be cleaning that up before I put it back on. But regular glass will give you those big shards, and that could actually cut right into your body, your arms, your wrists, and really do some serious damage, as it has done to many people in the past. So I'm just going to set this aside, and I will look at that and get it all set up later on, okay? All right, so we got a ABS quick start guide, customer service number, frequently asked questions, okay? Frequently asked questions: why didn't my computer come with a Windows product key sticker on the case? Well, apparently the Windows product key is now saved on the motherboard, so Windows will not ask you for it. So I guess that's kind of good if you move your motherboard from place to place, from system to system. My computer came with extra parts and cables. Do I need them? Well, they're not needed for your installed computer, but they are provided for you in case you want to add more hardware features to your computer. My computer boots up, but I don't see anything on the monitor. And it says, open the left side of the computer and check for loose cables. Check for components, loose cables that became loose from shipping and handling, components such as graphics cards, memories, etc. Basically, the components inside. They could get jarred a little loose or even completely disconnected when, when they're shipping across country on a truck. So, all right, so never done this before, so I'm just going to assume that you just kind of slowly and carefully remove this whole thing. It is in injectable foam. What they do is, I guess they put a bag inside. There we go. They put a bag inside the unit. And they take like an injectable foam into the bag and to the side, and it just fills up the bag all around, and there you go. So you can kind of see it's got the imprint of the fan, one of the fans, because there's 2 fans. There's this one here on the side, and then this one there. And of course you have the graphics card, and that just fits in there nicely. A couple of fans here and here, so we'll go over the details a little bit. So this is really a smart idea. I think iBuyPower charges you a little bit extra, I think like $20 extra, to put this inside that so that it doesn't get loose in shipping. So the fact that ABS is including this for free through Newegg is a good thing. That's another savings to you as well. So there we go. That's kind of how that works, okay? So, that's about it. That's that. We will go ahead and go into this a little bit further. It looks as though we have this is the plate that blocks the fan here, like kind of like the side case plate, you know. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and go over all of these details in a little bit, but so far so good. And I'm going to get out the power cable, and we'll get this all set up, and we'll go from there. All right, bye.